Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. Once you've launched a game, tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen, like so, and now go to Settings. Now tap on Manage Account. And here, just click on the disconnect on whatever means you've connected the account to. For example, I have connected my account to Facebook, so there's a disconnect button on my Facebook account. Click on this and now click on disconnect. Now go back. So once you just quit the application, like so, I'm going to show it to you. Now go to Monopoly Go once again, and you should be logged out of your Monopoly Go account. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!